Hello everybody, it's been too long since I shared a fun and useful tech tip. So today I'm going to introduce you to, or reintroduce you to, a site called Autodraw.com. This uses artificial intelligence to figure out what the heck you're trying to draw and then create a copyright-free clip art version of that thing that you're trying to draw. So I'm going to choose a different color here. We'll go with green. The Autodraw pencil is the one that will draw specifically, or will use AI to guess what I'm drawing, and then you have the other drawing tools so you can fill it in, add some text. You can really get into this thing, but what I'm going to use it for is to create some copyright-free clip art. And so I often have to talk about computers, and computers are one of those things that can be kind of tricky to draw so that people recognize them. You see, as I'm drawing this, I get a set of images up here that reflect that thing that I'm trying to draw. So now I've got this fancy dancy green computer. I'm going to choose the select tool and I can move that around. Excellent. Now I have some clip art that I want to use in a Google slide deck. So I click the three lines up at the top, the hamburger menu, and then I'm going to download that. Now that I have that downloaded, I can go over to my Google Slides, while I delete my last attempt, and I can click and drag that into my Google slide. The problem here that I'm illustrating is that, look at that, it's nifty, it works, but it has a white background, and I really don't want that white background on it. So I'm going to introduce you to another site I love called Remove.bg. Remove.bg will remove the background image, or the background of your image. So I'm going to take that same Autodraw, I'm going to drag it into this website, and then it's going to take my drawing and it's going to create a background-free version of that drawing. So now I'm going to click download. I'm going to go back to my Google slide. I'm going to delete my old image, click and drag this new one that I just used Remove.bg to create. And now look at that, I've got clip art, copyright-free, included in my Google site that I drew myself. So a really fun way to have the kids create their own clip art to tell a story, and then a slick site, Remove.bg, to clear up the background. So that was my quick tip. I want to share with you one new thing that's just come out recently so that you're aware of it. In Google Docs, now they've added, if you go into the Insert menu, they've added the ability to add watermarks. So now you can click on watermark and choose an image, and I'm just going to go back to the images that I just downloaded, browse for those, grab one of my auto drawings, upload that, and then look at that, I've got a watermark image on my doc, which means I can type all over this, and the watermark will stay in the background. Maybe less interesting than the copyright free, but just wanted to make sure you knew that. So there you go, a couple quick tips on this wonderful day.